this is a frame straightening diagram, okay? So what you have right here, and this is very simple, and too many people overcomplicate this. You have the bottom, which is your length, you have the middle, which is your width, and you have the top, which is your height. You always want to start with the length. So if we were measuring this section of the car right here, section A, you're going to want to start with length. And the length right here is 730, which really means 73.0. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your machine right over here, and you're going to loosen this up because this is your length and it's dragging. So you're going to go to 73.0 on this gauge. We're going to move it. We're going to keep on moving it. We're going to keep on moving it. Here we go. Let's see, 76. Is that? That's about right. 76.3. So you lock it in place, right? There you go. Nice and simple. It's locked. You walk over here. As you can see, 73.0. You always want to abbreviate. It's not going to be 1155. It's going to be 115.5. But when you get to the width, you're going to want to use the actual number. So 73.0 right here. And we're going to go here. 442 is your width. So we're going to go back to here. And we're going to take our width. Let's take this out.
Problem is,
this is your height.
that's how much you used to do.
All right. Hold this. Okay. So 442. So you're gonna go. You can either choose this white line, or you can choose this white line. I'm gonna choose this white line. So you just loosen this up. No. We're gonna go to 442 right over there, right there. That's it. And then you lock it in place. So next you're gonna go back to. So next you're gonna go back to the screen, and you're gonna see the height. 73.0. You're going to choose A131. So this is the Chief Universal Measuring System right here. It's a really nice mechanical system. So we look at this height again, and we did the 73.0, and you go to this, and we want A131. So you choose a point that will get you to 131, and you see right here, this will work. It's between these numbers. And you've got this right here, and you want an A. So A, this is to fit in a hole. If you see a hexagon, it's to fit in a bolt. E17, a hexagon, so you'd want E, and then you'd look for the 17 that fits over a bolt. So you want an A right here, and it just clips on right here, like that. And then you're gonna, this is A131. So this will be your height. And since you put the white line right here where it was supposed to be, you want to put it right on this end right here. So just screw this, it screws in. There you go. So it's 131, right? So you're gonna go to this, and you're gonna want to abbreviate again. So that's 130, and then right there. And you're gonna wanna lock this. There you go. So right about there, 131. And so this is the correct setup. You've got your length, which you want to abbreviate with the decimal. I just screwed that up, but you get the point. You've got your width, don't do that. And you've got your height. And if it all matches up correctly, your frame will be straight. And the reason why I like this system better than the expensive laser systems that they have today is because you don't have to calibrate this ever. It will always work, and it will last forever. The laser systems are more accurate, but you have to keep calibrating them, and it's expensive to maintain. They can easily be broken. I can bang on this and nothing's gonna happen. So they're just more sturdy, and you can get more accurate because of the longevity of it. It's never going to go out of calibration. It's never going to break because you scratch the laser reflectors. I like it, and that just simplifies the whole goddamn thing. And I hope it helps you, because a lot of people put on 45, 50-minute videos on how to straighten a frame. And this is basically what you do to take your measurements with a mechanical system. Very simple to use. Under 5-minute video.